Today, we're going to be showing you one of our favorite recipes. It's the Orange Creamsicle Smoothie. Hey everyone, I'm Aarav.
And I'm Ayush.
And we're the Tasty Twins, a channel that offers you simplified recipes along your baking journey. Alright, we have our mixer here. If you don't have a stand mixer or hand mixer, go ahead and check out the video up there because we give some very good advice if you're willing to buy a hand mixer or stand mixer. Alright, let's add 3/4 of a cup of heavy whipping cream into the stand mixer. And we are just going to whisk this until there are peaks. Alright, you can see that there are tiny peaks here. That's exactly what we want. And to this, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of regular vanilla extract. Let's give this a nice mix. Alright, let's go to the other side of the kitchen for the next step. Alright, now to make our orange smoothie part of our creamsicle, we're going to start off by adding 1 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice. We squeeze this right now. It's about 2 full large oranges. Let's add this in. And to this, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of orange zest, which is basically the peel of the orange. And we're going to add 1/4 a cup of heavy whipping cream. Wow, this already looks pretty good. We're going to whisk it hard for 1 minute. Alright, for a little boost of sweetness, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of honey. And let's whisk this up again. Alright, let's pour this mixture into a glass we have here, 3/4 of the way. Wait. Before we pour the rest of our orange creamsicle smoothie, if you like what you're watching or have learned something so far, consider giving us a like down below. And while you're at it, if you like learning how to make awesome desserts and other things in your own kitchen, consider subscribing. Alright, let's slab on some of that whipped cream we made earlier. We're going to be doing it a little bit unneatly. Alright, let's grate some orange on there. Alright, that's it for us today. Thank you so much for watching. Tune in tomorrow at 12 p.m. Pacific time for the next video in this 30-day posting challenge. If you enjoyed this video or learned something from it, consider giving us a thumbs up down below. That's it for now, so click over here for last video. Click down there for our 30-day posting challenge series. And if you would like, you can subscribe right here. And we will see you in our next video. Have an awesome day. Bye.